Hi everyone, I have a great news for you that BITS Pilani has launched its admission program, and I have the brochure for admission in BITS Pilani. Now you can see that we have some of the important information which I have to share with you, and also I am going to add this brochure in description so that you can go for more details. But right now I am telling you all the important information I have here around the about the admission of BITS Pilani. So if I'll move forward, so first of all, you can see that what are the degree programs, they have here. 4 semester on campus M.Pharm and ME program, higher degree program for 26-27. And if you would see, the programs are for biotechnical, chemical. So we have all the branches here: computer science, software system, and like you can see, go through all the branches, and you can see that in which campus they have: Pilani, Goa, and Hyderabad. Like if I'll see computer science, so for computer science they have in Pilani, Goa, as well as in Hyderabad. Now if I'll move forward, for 4 semester program hai, and for qualifying degree exam it requires minimum 60%. First of all, what is admission modality, that which students can get accepted for the admission? First of all, either you have GATE or GPAT score 26 or 26, 25 or 24 will be considered for the admission of 26-27. Also, they have their own admission, that is BITS admission test, BITS HD online test. So those students also can apply who get clear in this exam, BITS HD online test. So they would take students 50% from GATE or GPAT score, and 50% of the students they take based on BITS HD online test. For admission, for both the marks would get considered if either you have GATE score or BITS HD online test. And also we have details of BITS HD test as well. If some of the students haven't gone through, like they doesn't have good GATE score, so they can go for BITS HD online test, right? Now if I'll move forward, preparation of merit list for admission, that I already told you, 50% they would take from GATE or GPAT, 50% by BITS HD test. And final assistance while going through the program, you would get 13,400 per month as a tuition fee waiver while studying there. And also, what is application process? Interested and eligible candidates should apply through the prescribed application form available. So you can go on this website and go through the application process. And if you would see here, the fees for GATE, the students who are applying for admission in BITS Pilani or BITS any campus of BITS, they have 1,000 rupees if they are applying with the help of GATE or GPAT score. If they are applying with the BITS HD online test, so that is 3,600. So it includes your exam fee as well as your admission process, so it gets considered. That's why it is higher than the GATE score. And now I have some important dates. Portal to apply online opens. So portal would get open on 18th February. Today is 19th February, so like the portal is open. Deadline for submission is 20th April. So till 20th April, make sure that you would complete the form. And if there is any editing required, so they would announce the date on 22 and 23. So these are all the important details. And the test center allotment to candidates, the students who are applying through BITS HD online test, so that date would be 18th May. So test center gets allotted, and the exam would be on 25th or 26th May. So there is a star asterisk mark. So based on student center or all those things, so you would have the date on 25th and 26th May. So students like who wants to give BITS online tests, they have sufficient time, and I'll show you later on as well. The syllabus is same as GATE, so you can apply for BITS HD online test if you have prepared for GATE and you feel like that there are chances that GATE doesn't go well and you want to study in BITS Pilani, so you can apply with that as well. And then there are announcement of admission process based on these exams would be 8th June, and then the further requirements from the candidates, that what are the dates, payment of fees and all those things you can go through here. Right now if I'll move forward, I think I have covered everything here, and now if I'll move forward, so they have written here program wise eligibility criteria. So in all of the programs, mainly it requires 4-year graduate degree. So I think you would have that. Mainly if I'll see here, like if I'll see the syllabus of the details of which BITS HD test, the students who are going for this BITS higher degree test, what is the details of this online test. First test, so there would be 2 tests. Test 1 duration 45 minutes. First is mathematics and English language and skills and logical reasoning, basically aptitude. And second test would be of 105 minutes, total number of questions 70. The questions level is not difficult, but number of question is more, so that you have to be high in speed. So that test is applying to all higher degree program except those who are applying in environmental engineering. Okay, that is not important right now. And the course description are available in the syllabus. So test to syllabus is given given later on. I'll show you. And then we have, this is not for us if we are from computer science or data science branch. This software system and environmental engineering, that is not for us. So we have to go through these 2 tests. First test is 30 question, 45 minutes, that is based on core mathematics and English and logical reasoning. Second test is our core syllabus, right, our technical syllabus. So that I'll show you. And there would be a negative marking of 1 mark on each question. All of the questions would be MCQ. And then we have test center details on which center you can apply for the test. And if I'll move forward, important dates and deadlines. So that I already told you that online test would be on 25th and 26th May. So you have time if you want to go through all the syllabus again and revise some of the concept and prepare for this exam, BITS HD test. And yeah, next we have here is syllabus. Syllabus for test 1, that is core mathematics, which you study in all 4 years of engineering. That is a syllabus for mathematics, that is calculus, linear algebra, complex variable, probability, statistics, differential equation, numerical methods. So that is the syllabus same what we study in 4 years of engineering. And also we have English language and logical reasoning. You can see that we have grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, composition, verbal reasoning. So all these topics are different, are simple, and you just go through 1 or 2 mock tests, you would be ready for it. And then later on we have syllabus for test 2. So I'll directly move to 36. I'll directly move to computer science, but if anyone is from any another branch, they can go through the syllabus. This brochure is linked in the description box. So I'll move to page 36. That's what I'm saying, that this 36 page we have this computer science. This is discrete mathematics. So you already study this discrete mathematics in GATE exam. Then we have theory of computation, data structures and algorithm, design and analysis of algorithm, digital electronics, operating system, computer organization and architecture, computer networks. So we have also reference books if you want to go through some of the topics. Like we can see here that some of the topics in digital electronics and microprocessor we do not study in GATE if there is any topic, so you can go through these reference books. So that is also given in the syllabus. Database system, compiler construction, so this is a syllabus, so you can go through that, but I find out similar to your GATE syllabus. So if anyone has prepared for GATE exam and they want to go for any of the BITS campus, they should give this BITS HD online test. And now if I'll move forward, so this is the syllabus. And okay, so I think these are all the details required for you guys to know about this BITS admission brochure and BITS HD online test. So guys, I have shared all the important information, and this brochure you can find out in description box. And if you need more details from us, just let us know in the comment section. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you.